Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses. I love Pete the Cat. I don't know what's taken me so long to read a story of his. Pete the Cat and his magic sunglasses. Pete the Cat did not feel very happy. Pete had never, ever, 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 ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." He put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Right on. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. He thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel?" "I'm so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today. Tell you what, if you need some nuts, go in the back of Mrs. Trailey's yard. Ugh, black walnuts." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Awesome! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete said goodbye to the squirrel and continued on his way. Soon he saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" Pete asked. "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I am all upside down today." It would make it pretty rough if you were a turtle. Pete said, "Ooh, try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Far out. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. I don't know about you, but I think if there was an alligator out there that didn't look happy, I might go the other way. Let's see what Pete does. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." Oh, that is sad. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Rockin'! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, I'm feeling all right. Pete was rolling along feeling all right when suddenly, whoo, he fell back. The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh. Pete didn't know what to do without those sunglasses. Just then Pete looked up at the tree. Wise old owl said, Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember to look for the good in every day. He is very wise. He looked around and around without his sunglasses. Too cool. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. We're feeling all right. And I hope you're feeling all right today, too. Have a great day, you guys.